us. Now, the Finance Ministry feels an Silicon Valley bank-like crisis is very unlikely in India. 63% of total deposits owned by households are considered sticky retail customers. In its monthly report, the ministry also says that Indian banks are well equipped to handle frequent interest rate cycles. Sapna Das joins us now with more. Sapna, take us through the key takeaways on the health of the banking system that's coming from the Finance Ministry today.
Well, for a change, or you may say at least from the government's end, they are pretty confident about the health of the Indian banking system, particularly the public sector banks. A couple of key points that the monthly economic review points out. One, of course, is the fact that why an SVB-like collapse situation will be averted or can be averted very easily in the Indian environment. Number one, of course, your deposits. Most of them, 63% of the deposits being held by most of the households here in India. They are of a sticky nature, so it's not possible for the retail depositors to exit that quickly, number one. Number two, the interest rate cycle has been very prominent in India, and banks are more or less geared up and attuned towards that. Also in sync with the kind of financial regulations or financial conditions that are being set out in the MPC by the RBI. So, that in sync with the market, so to speak. So that's second. Third, also, the exposure of banks to, bond investments is not that great. For example, RBI has its own stipulation, not more than 23% of the bank total deposits, can be put in the HTM portfolio. And here, Finmin has given also an analogy, and they're borrowing also from the RBI data on this front, wherein they're saying that even in the HTM portfolio, if your yields have gone up by around 250 basis points, that's not going to lead to a major loss as far as your investments in the HTM category is concerned. So there is actually no cause of concern over here at all. And last but not the least, at least the top 10 banks in terms of their asset size, the CRAR is very healthy, the CAR is very healthy. So, it's surprisingly a positive commentary coming in. I think that's very good. And in the coming times, you'll also have an idea as to what are the bottom lines that are being reported by the public sector banks. All the results will be coming out pretty soon.
Yes, the private sector banking stocks have had a good run on the back of positive, strong performance coming in, and that's the Finance Ministry's view on the health of public sector banks. Now, Air India, which is